Hi everyone. I am the substitute voice of Silva, but no worries, we will be back soon. For now, let's start. Today I'll be talking about the top 5 benefits of pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are often overlooked as a nutritious snack, but they pack a punch when it comes to health benefits. One of the main benefits of pumpkin seeds is that they are rich in minerals, including magnesium, phosphorus, and zinc. These minerals play important roles in various bodily functions such as maintaining strong bones, healthy muscles, and a strong immune system. Pumpkin seeds are also a good source of protein, making them a great snack option for vegetarians and vegans. A 1/4 cup serving of pumpkin seeds contains around 7 grams of protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues in the body. In addition to their high mineral content, pumpkin seeds are also high in healthy fats, such as polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fats. These healthy fats have been shown to improve cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Another benefit of pumpkin seeds is that they contain tryptophan, an amino acid that is converted into serotonin and melatonin in the body. These hormones play a role in regulating sleep, so eating pumpkin seeds can help improve sleep quality. Lastly, pumpkin seeds are also high in anti-inflammatory compounds, such as antioxidants, which help protect against oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. This can reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer and arthritis. In conclusion, pumpkin seeds are a nutritious snack that should definitely be added to your diet. With their high mineral content, good source of protein, heart-healthy fats, sleep-promoting properties, and anti-inflammatory benefits, there are many reasons to make pumpkin seeds a regular part of your diet. Please keep in mind that this video is not intended as substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of a physician or other qualified healthcare provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition. Follow us for more, smiling face with hearts, at The Food Glossary.